Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Monday. It is the 26th day of the month of January 2026. And after a pretty wild day yesterday when we had snow, sleet, freezing rain, and a little bit of everything across the mid-Atlantic and Northeast, we're now getting into a very cold weather flow that's going to last most of the work week, most of the last days of this month of January, and may very well cause the month to show up about a half degree below normal temperature-wise, or even maybe a little bit more. It all depends on the numbers this week, as high pressure starts to build in from the west, and then another surge of high pressure down from the Arctic region moves in for the midweek. But the storm basically between 5 and 15 inches of snow, sleet, and freezing rain, probably an average of about maybe 8 to 12 inches of snow, and then maybe an inch or two of sleet, which is like sand, very heavy, and its relationship to liquid precipitation. Of course, he's talking about little ice pellets as opposed to snowflakes. Flakes lighter. The ice pellets are heavier, and with that in mind, just shoveling them or pushing them, plowing them is like plowing sands. It's a very difficult situation. It's usually about a 4 or 5 to 1 ratio when you consider 1 inch of sleet, probably about 5 inches, 6 inches of snow as far as the pushing or the plowing of that precipitation. But in the meantime, it's over now. But it's amazing, the temperatures are so cold, and you're getting rain and freezing rain. That's because of that milder flow in the atmosphere aloft. To have one storm come down that just has all snow, really tough from the eastern seaboard. But the ocean temperature is getting colder, especially after this week, and that's going to be a factor as we go into the new month of February on this upcoming Sunday. So our forecast for today is calling for the possibility of some snow showers. Otherwise, breezy and cold, but not as cold as it will be, so 30 to 35 today. Tonight, back down into the 5 to 10 degree range, and tomorrow looks like Tuesday will have sunshine, but high temperatures only ranging into the upper teens to near 20 degrees. And with those winds out of the northwest, wind chill make it feel like 0 to minus 10. Similar pattern on Wednesday and Thursday, both days teens to lower 20s. Friday starts to warm maybe just a bit closer to 30. And Saturday also generally fair for the last day of the month, but still below normal. Highs will reach the lower 30s and with sunshine. Now, if you're traveling by air or trying to travel by air today, of course, a lot of cancellations. I was taking a look at the inbound and outbound flights across the Northeast during the afternoon on Sunday. There was nothing in the sky except for the high-flying airliners coming in from the Atlantic over towards maybe Atlanta or down to Dallas or Houston. But that weather situation now ending. We're going to have to try to make up for all the canceled flights, putting people on double booking some airliners, trying to get people out to their hubs and then get them out. So it'll probably take a 2 to 4 day delay or cancellations in straightening out this mess that was developed on Sunday. So weather-wise, Atlanta's looking good. Most of Florida, South Florida, maybe some showers and thunderstorms, but nothing major. Houston and Dallas are dry but cold. It looks like Chicago will be also dry and cold. Minneapolis, St. Paul, so possibility of some snow showers. Temperatures only in the single digits. They're very, very cold weather in Minnesota. And it looks like San Diego, L.A., and San Francisco basically dry. Maybe some showers moving into San Francisco in the afternoon on Monday. And it looks like Portland and Seattle will be getting into some rainy weather on Monday night as well. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing on Tuesday. See you then.